Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you two best WordPress security plugins in 2023. Now, the first plugin on this list is called Securi or Sucuri. I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically, this is a great plugin to clean and protect your website fast. Now, as you can see, you can fix any issue. For example, if you get malware, right, you can remove it quickly by experienced security analysts. Now, what you also have is scanning your site. So, this application or this plugin will scan your site and detect any malwares there are on the site. You can also protect your site by powerful cloud-based firewall that stops hacks and attacks, and you can boost your site performance and speed 70% with their CDN. Now, as you can see, you have a lot of different things and resources here, but this is basically what their plans are. You have $200 per year, which is really not that expensive, and $300 per year for Pro. For businesses and multi-site and custom plans, this is all for bigger businesses, but this is for freelancers and smaller businesses. So it's a great WordPress security plugin. Here you can see all the features: detection, protection, performance, response. And I would say this is one of the best plugins just because it also boosts your site performance along with everything else that secures your website. Now, second plugin on this list is called Jetpack. Now, Jetpack is one of the most well-known plugins in this sphere. It starts at €6 per month. It's a little bit cheaper on the price, and you have a lot of different things that this plugin basically gives you. It gives you security, again, performance, growth tools to make your WordPress website better. As you can see, you have also anti-spam. Spamming. If you get a spam comment, it can remove your spam comment. And here you can see that you have real-time backups. You have automated malware scanning and one-click fixes with Jetpack Scan. You have powerful spam protection for comments. So it has a lot of different things. And as you can see, more than 5 million WordPress sites trust Jetpack for their website security. Now, I would say Jetpack is a little bit better than Securi just because of its interface. It has really great interface. It also has a lot of the same features. And as you can see, a lot of popular people are using it already. As you can see, you have Wordpress, which is €6 per month, or Security, which is the most recommended one, which is €25 per month, which is really not that big of a deal if you are using WordPress for your business. So these are two WordPress security plugins in 2023. If you want to know more about other plugins like image compression plugins and all the other plugins, then definitely visit our channel for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.